Hi friends, welcome back to Tradable, your ultimate destination for all things finance. We try to keep it simple and straightforward. Today's video is a very interesting one. The Sensex is such an all-time high. India released some great GDP numbers, and at the same time, the opposition party BJP won electoral victories in three major states. We'll try to see if there's a correlation between the three. If good GDP numbers, if good Sensex, if good market sentiment, if a good result for BJP will lead to positive results in Lok Sabha elections next year. Do subscribe, do like the video, press the bell icon and share it with your friends. I'll see you in a second. On the 30th November, official data revealed that India's GDP had grown by a whopping 7.6% in the second quarter of the current financial year, leaving the market pleasantly surprised. But that's not all. Just a few days later, the BJP had won a resounding victory over the Congress in three major states. The markets in turn responded with equal enthusiasm, soaring to all-time highs and continuing the upward trend in the following days. The BSE Sensex witnessed a staggering climb of almost 2,000 points in just 2 days, touching an unprecedented 69,296. You must be wondering, how has this affected the buy and sell volumes of the stock market? Investors are on a buying spree, deploying heavy investments this Monday. The BJP's success in the state elections has provided a template of political stability prior to the Lok Sabha elections next year. Institutional investors have remarkably deployed over 7,000 crores since Monday. And most importantly, foreign portfolio investors, the bread and butter of the market, have actually flipped the script, consistently buying for the last 7 days. And you're definitely wondering what the link between the economic, political, and the market-related moves is all about. Well, the prevailing argument suggests that the surprising GDP numbers, coupled with the BJP's electoral victory. But let's dig a little deeper, shouldn't we? Does robust GDP growth actually guarantee electoral success for the incumbent government? History cautions us, and it's important that we look backwards to sort of understand how to look forward, that this relationship is far from straightforward. As you may see in this particular chart, India's growth since 1991 has not always resulted in a victory for the ruling party. Instances are abound where incumbents have lost despite improving GDP growth. For example, take the 1996 elections for instance. Despite a consistently growing GDP, the Congress government fell short in securing re-election. Similar patterns emerged with fluctuations in growth rates and electoral outcomes in subsequent years. Fast forward to 2019, where India actually witnessed a repeat of the 2009 scenario. 2009, because of the global financial crisis, India's GDP actually receded, but the Manmohan Singh government was successful in winning a second term. Similarly, in 2019, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi clinched re-election with an increased seat count, even though India's GDP had actually suffered in the months leading up to the election. Surprisingly, in most instances, a year of positive returns for the Sensex has preceded electoral defeat of the incumbent government. Only twice since 1991 has the Sensex performance aligned with the electoral outcome. Well, once was in 1996 when the Congress-led government lost after negative returns, and in 2019 when the Modi-led NDA triumphed following positive returns. So there you have it. The convergence of events in the past 2 weeks, which is the surging GDP, the political victories, and a stock market high, don't necessarily point to either working in tandem with the other. The intricate interplay between economic indicators, political dynamics, and market sentiments keeps the future uncertain. It's important to sort of look at past information, but with a pinch of salt. As we saw, there is no direct correlation between a good GDP number and a great stock market high leading to a positive result for the incumbent government. although there do seem to be exceptions to that rule in some instances. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and do share it with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great day.